Did you know that earphones can carry bacteria that can damage your ears? Is it? Then how can you prevent it? Don't worry my friends, you're at the right place. Welcome back to Purvika, and today we talk to you about how to take care of your ears. If you are someone who extensively uses earphones with the silicone ear tips for long hours, you might be at high risk of bacterial infection inside your ear canals. Your ear canals naturally have bacteria growing in them. Now, as doctors say, not all bacteria is bad bacteria. This nominal level is totally fine. When these bacteria multiply exponentially, it causes infection. The ears have certain microbial flora. Earphones or headphones disturb this natural flora of the ears, encouraging the bacteria residing in your ears. Inserting in your earphones creates a perfect environment for bacteria to grow. This bacterial growth then leads to infection in the ear. The earbuds we keep inserting into our ears are exposed to the environment at all times. It keeps picking up dust and germs from the air and the environment around it. Dust and germs easily stick to the earwax, which is already stuck on the earbud, which is then transferred into our ears. The wax stuck on the surface of the earplugs does not dry because of the layer of dirt on it. Sharing your earphones should be a big no-no. No sharing with friends, no sharing with relatives, no sharing with family. It's not just because of the pandemic that's out there, but sharing causes these bacteria stuck to your ears cross into your ears or vice versa, which is not good. Long hour usage of earbuds creates humidity and accumulation of dust, rapidly increasing the possibility of an infection. Okay, I know. You've said enough about these infections. How do I stop it? Well, there is one step solution to it, and there is another, which is the longer version. Which one would you like to hear? Alright, let's start with the one-stop solution. What you do is go to the link on our description, which leads straight to our Purvika website, where we have the amazing LG tone-free TWS earphones. Why these earphones? They kill bacteria in your earbuds by 99.9% using UV light residing inside the charging case. That's perfect, right? Now, when it comes to the dust that gets accumulated on the earbuds, realistically speaking, your average earbuds would be exposed to the environment out in the open. But if you have earphones with the charging case, you are most likely to carry them around wherever you go. And when you're not using the earphones, most of the time you end up putting it inside the charging case. In this situation, you have a case which seals it tight to ensure infrared light is in action, so the chances of dust settling into your earphones is slim to none. These earphones are IPX water resistant. There are tap controls for pause, play, skip, and volume controls. We get a clean and round sound for amazing and smooth sound experience. We get EQ control settings for customization with their app, and there is ambient sound mode to hear your surroundings. 6 hours of playback with the earbuds, 18 hours with the case, and so many more such features. Well, the other way to go about it is to use bone conduction tech headphones like the Bose frames, which avoid sticking earphones into your ears, resulting in the infection. If you want to watch a video about bone conduction tech, click on the iCard to watch that video that we have. Now for the longer way, it would be to spend your time every day to ensure that you wipe clean your earphone's ear tip with a clean cloth or tissue. Ensure that you don't leave your earphones lying exposed out in the open collecting dust. Use a case to carry your earphones and ensure that your case is dust and germ free. Try to ensure that the case that you have is tightly sealed, ensuring that it's void of humidity. Here's another little tip which might seem trivial, but is very crucial. No matter which earphones or headphones you use, ensure that you don't leave your earphones on for more than half an hour. Take a break. Maybe use speakers for a bit before you head back to your earphones. This is because your ears are not built to handle sounds being thrust across your ears for hours. The eardrum has a threshold to which it can move, and if you push it too much, push it to the limit, you could damage it. Use nominal levels of listening. This saves you from hearing loss. Mind you, hearing loss can be avoided. Beware and stay safe, my friends. That was our video. Do you know any other tips to keep your ears safe and infection free? Did we miss any? Let us know down on the comment section below. Support us by clicking on the like button, subscribe to our channel if you're new here, hit that bell icon for instant updates, and I'll catch you guys soon on the next one.